Today, we're going to build a Y-wing using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 plate in light bluish gray. And then on the front stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile in yellow because I'm going to create Gold Squadron because I'm a classic. I love A New Hope. So I'm going to put that tile on the first stud to create Gold Squadron on my Y-wings. And then on the back stud, I'm going to get a 1x1 plate with ring. And this time it's going to be in white because I like the kind of the light bluish gray and the white blending of colors. So I'm going to put that plate onto that back stud of the 1x2 plate. And once I've got that in place, I've got that top stud of the plate with ring. I'm going to grab a 1x1 translucent black tile piece for the cockpit or the canopy of my Y-wing and put that on there. And the body is now complete. And all I have to do is do those back engines that give the Y-wing its name. And to do that, I'm going to grab 2 minifigure utensil hose handles. And I know we always kind of use these as the minifigure guns. You got the handle, the trigger, and like the barrel of the gun. But I'm going to take this hose handle and put the handle into the side of the ring. And I don't want to put it all the way in. That's just too far and they're too close together. What I want to do is I basically want to put the handle about halfway into the ring. I'm going to do that to both sides. So I got my utility hose handle. There's the handle. Just put it about halfway into the ring. And once I've got those in, I just need to thicken them up a little bit to kind of create that back circle of the Y-wing's engine. So I'm going to get 2 of these 3/4 Technic pin pieces. And I want to put it so that the stop ring is going toward the handle. And I'm going to push it all the way in so it touches the handle. And then this is just kind of me being nitpicking for my design. But I like to have that slit kind of on the very side of my Y-wing, but I think it just gives a better illusion of like those kind of the hollowed look of the end of the Y-wing engines. But do that to both sides. I got my 3x4 Technic pin, I got the stop ring there, put it all the way into the handle, make my positioning, and here is a completed Y-wing ready to make a Death Star trench run. I don't think he's gonna make it though.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.